sewer line is one of those things you don't think about until it backs up. We provide a lot of sewer inspections to homeowners that may have an issue or just want to know if they do have an issue. It's preventative doing a sewer inspection. That way you can get ahead of it and be proactive instead of reactive if you do have a backup. The signs of a sewer blockage will be slow drains like toilets gurgling, showers gurgling. When you run your laundry, water come up in a shower or a tub, those are signs of a main sewer line backup. A couple ways to unclog a main sewer line is one, your standard drain snake. Two is a hydrojetting machine. Hydrojetting machine uses certain nozzles at various pressures to clean out sewer line, whether it's clear grease blockages, cut out roots, and then follow that with a video inspection to determine what the condition of that pipe is. As far as cast iron goes, cast iron we do a lot of descaling. We have equipment that we can go run inside the main sewer line in cast iron and hone out the inside of that pipe, and then we use the jetter to remove that scale from the system, and then again follow up with a video inspection to determine the condition of that pipe under the scale. The safest method to identifying a clog in a drain is with the camera. The benefits of utilizing a camera in your drain is just to determine the cleanliness of your drain, if you're going to be experiencing a backup in the future, and then you can take those necessary steps to clean the drain out so you do not have a backup. So generally tree roots get into a sewer line if the sewer line is leaking. That sewer line is no longer watertight, so then the roots seek the moisture. Generally the roots themselves don't break into the pipe. It does happen, but not as common as a sewer line leaking and the roots going towards that moisture. Definitely after a camera inspection, that can determine how many areas of your sewer line have issues. If it's multiple areas, then that would be the time to consider relining that entire sewer line versus doing repairs. So there's several types of trenchless pipe replacement or repair. We focus on lining and pipe patching. Generally, if you have a sewer line with multiple root intrusions, cleaning that sewer line out and installing a liner is more cost effective than doing multiple excavation and repairs on that sewer line. If you haven't had a sewer inspection done and you lived in the house for a while, get one done. If you're just moving into a home, get one done. And then once you do have a sewer inspection, you'll know what lies in the future of your sewer system. If you need any drainage services like jetting, lining, camera inspecting, line locating, call Right Way Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing.